Ectropic Nature. Ectropic nature. It is described as a body of levity, opposite to entropy, and is responsible for the vital functions and growth process in living organisms. Let's explore the concept of ectropic nature and its significance. 1. Ectropic nature defined. Ectropic nature refers to a dynamic force or principle that operates in opposition to entropy. Unlike entropy, which tends towards disorder and randomness, ectropic forces promotes organization, growth, and vitality. 2. Vital functions and growth process. Ectropic forces are believed to be responsible for essential life processes. Cell division. Ectropic energy drives cell divisions and growth, ensuring the renewal and repair of tissues. Metabolism. It fuels metabolic processes, including energy production, nutrient absorption, and waste elimination. Homeostasis. Ectropic forces maintain internal balance, regulating temperature, pH, and other physiological parameters. Regeneration. When tissues are damaged, ectropic energy supports healing and regeneration. 3. Opposite to entropy. Entropy tends to disperse energy and leads function towards disorder. Ectropic forces counteract this tendency, promoting coherence, complexity, and life's sustaining processes. 4. Holistic view. Ectropic nature invites us to see life as more than a collection of chemical reactions. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of physical, energetic, and spiritual aspects of existence. 5. Beyond scientific understanding. While science acknowledges physical process, ectropic forces remain elusive. Some spiritual and metaphysical traditions recognize these subtle energies as vital for health and well-being. In summary, ectropic nature represents the life-affirming force that drives growth, healing, and organization. It stands in contrast to entropy, reminding us of the intricate balance between order and chaos in the living world.